Alright, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys, or I'll be showing you my mom making bread. We do this every Christmas and it's pretty good. I don't know how to make it myself, so this video will actually help me out too. But the first few things we have here, we have some quick rise instant yeast and we have some Crisco. And in just this cup right here, we have some water.
Sugar.
And
This.
is that sugar?
I put some 1 spoonful of sugar in it.
Okay.
In the water. Put this to rise.
That's maybe a cup of water or so.
And I put this to rise.
How many of those packages do you put in there?
I put 3. This one is empty already. This one. I'm making for about 5 bread, so I have to put more than.
So this is to make 5 bread.
Yeah, what I put in to make over 5 bread. Yeah. That's 2 apples, right?
Yep.
That's 2. I'll put another one. I want my bread to come out so good. So when they see it on the video, they will say, whoa. That's good. Yes. That's 3 of them. Okay. So that's 3 of them, right? So that's it.
The 4th one.
Yeah.
And that's it?
Yeah, I'll leave it to rise now. Okay, I'll leave it to rise. I'll leave it to rise and I'll get my flour and stuff ready. Leave it to rise right here.
How long do you usually leave it there for?
Maybe about 2 minutes or 3 minutes.
Oh, not very long.
Yeah, not for long. It's not the white flour, yeah.
Okay, so now we're just mixing the flour while the yeast is rising. So again, this is the amount to make around 5 bread.
Okay. Now I put half of the whole wheat flour now.
So we're mixing the regular white flour and the whole wheat flour. So there's half of white and
Half
just
whole
getting the whole wheat ready.
Half here. Right. Then mix it up together. Mix it up with this. Nice. Then let's see.
So now we're gonna add the Crisco.
I'll put the Crisco, yeah. Crisco in it now.
Did you learn how to bake this stuff in Grenada?
Oh yeah. That's why I need measuring cup. People back home use cup. So that's the first thing now. Bread now.
Do you put the whole thing in there?
Oh yeah, I put everything. I just listen to grease the pan when I'm making the bread.
So if you're making like 3 bread, we still use the whole thing?
Oh yeah, use the whole thing. So.
Okay.
If it's one, no, it's too much.
If it's one, I guess you use half.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Just leave a little bit back to grease the pan on them.
Okay. So the leftover is used to grease the pan.
Yeah, leftovers to grease the pan on them when I'm making. Yeah. So now I have to wait for the yeast to rise up.
Okay.
Wait for the yeast to rise.
So once that rises up, then you can mix the two of them
Yeah,
together.
when the yeast rise, I pour it in it. Add some water, put some salt.
So I have to wait for this to rise up.
This
then
one?
that
Yeah,
for this to
yeah,
rise
the
up.
rice. Yeah,
And
put it
then
in
it
there.
will be mixed in here with some water.
Put
and
it
some
in there,
salt.
put some water, and put the salt.
As you will see in a little bit.
No?
So now we're going to take off the
Is
cover.
it?
So it rose up while it was sitting there for 5 minutes. Now we're going to mix that
Ready now?
into...
Now I'm pouring it in here. I'm pouring it right in here. And then I put in some water. Yeah. And I put some salt. Spoon, take a spoon. Right, salt more. My salt done. Then I put some salt in the water now. Put some salt in the water. Start up. Make sure not to start. Start the water and salt.
If I'm just making one bread, I got to be careful because I don't want it to be too salty. I guess you taste it and see.
Yeah, to see if it's too salty. I don't want it, the bread and my salt too salty. I have to pick up salt now. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna pour it in here. Yeah. And now I start kneading it now, see? Mixing up everything together. Mixing up everything together.
It looks like a good workout.
It is. Put a little more water. Yeah.
This is a little bit too dry.
You ever make bread before, no?
Nope.
You want
guess
to go to ours?
The video will
Give it a
help.
hand to Daddy. Yeah, and then you put some more water again.
I definitely won't be making enough for 5 people. I tried out for myself first and see.
I have to buy some Mabi. Mabi is easy. You're not to buy Mabi.
I guess you can show me.
Oh, they put some Mabi to boil. So you have a lot on your video to show.
So it's been 3 or 4 minutes now of the kneading.
Yeah.
See, it looks like it's a little workout now. She has to use 2 hands now.
Yeah.
Also, if you're making this and you put an extra flour in there, you can put some water in there to counteract it. Or vice versa, if you find it's too runny, then you can add some flour in there.
Yeah.
You can see she's almost done. Then she's gonna set it and let it sit for a bit.
A few hours to rise.
And in a few hours it will get a lot bigger. It will rise
You
up.
have to knead it again, put it to rise again. So just some work in that.
I didn't even know that. I'm learning stuff too. So if any of you are looking for arm workout, there you go. Go make some bread.
Yeah. Come together. See? Take a towel and cover it up. Leave it to rise now.
Alright, so now you just cover it with a
Cover it
towel.
up, yeah. And
How long do you say you leave it for?
it's leave it for a few hours, maybe
Like,
2 hours.
Okay, so leave it for 2 hours.
Yeah.
Then we'll get back to it.
Get back to it again. Yeah.
Okay, so it's been an hour and a half of the bread sitting here. So now we're gonna take off the cover and see what it looks like. And as you can see, compared to the end of the last video, it rose up a bit. So now we have to knead it again. Well, not we. She has to do it again. Oh wow, look at that.
You
Soft,
say it gets
yeah.
soft, yeah?
Oh.
Yeah, anything.
But I guess this time around you don't have to do it as long as the first
As long
time.
as the first time, no.
That they have set him up as the Pope, but God certainly does not look at him that way.
Easier now.
I guess it's just fluffier.
Yeah, it's fluff, yeah. So I put it again, you see? Different?
Okay, and as you can see that was
Spray
pretty
rise
quick.
Again. Yeah.
And how long are we gonna leave it again for?
The same time, half an hour.
Okay.
About hour and a half.
Okay, so we're gonna leave it for an hour and a half, then we'll
Yeah,
get back to
and
you.
then after, yeah.
Okay, so
All this Spanish
the pans, they're greased with that extra, the Crisco that she had on the side. She used this to grease it up. And she just took off the cover, and now here it is.
Here it is. Now put it here. Okay. It's out. You could see?
Yeah. So if you have a big, or if I can see if a rolling pin, I guess you can use that.
Yeah.
We're just using the counter, so we clean it up and everything.
Clean it up and then
So now she's just rolling away. As you can see, making the bread, it's like, it's a physical job.
it is. Okay. Knife now. Cut them. So this is one.
Because you cut them out to fit the pan.
This is, yeah.
So I guess she's gonna cut up 5 different pieces as evenly as best as you can, I guess.
3, 5. Okay. This now.
So now we do the same thing for all 5 of them.
About 5, yeah.
Okay, so all 5 of them are rolled up now. Now I'm just waiting for the next step now.
So now. Put them in here.
So once it's rolled up, you place all of them individually in here.
This one here.
Okay, so all the 5 breads, they're in the pan now. So
So 10 minutes there.
now we just have to cover them
10 minutes. And
for 10 minutes. Then after, once it's covered for the 10 minutes,
cover it up. Yeah.
we'll bake it at 350, and I will let you know how long in a sec.
Yeah.
Okay, so the 10 minutes are up now, and we're gonna uncover it. We have the oven preheated at 350, and now,
Cover. Goes.
so as you can see that it filled out a little
up
bit,
again,
a
yeah.
little bit for the 10 minutes.
Okay.
And again,
Now,
the oven's already preheated, so we just place them in.
1, 2, 3. 4, 5. Okay, right.
So now we place them in there and we keep them in there for how long?
About half an hour, about 45 minutes.
Hour and a half? What?
About 45 minutes.
So keep it in there for 45 minutes. So
So when you come out, you go see the
yeah,
results.
we'll check in 45 minutes. Okay, so it's been 45 minutes now.
Turning it on.
As you can see, the bread, it rose up.
Turn it to the side. To the side. This.
And she's turning them on the side.
This in here.
Be careful. You can see the crispiness there already. That's a big boy. That's a big boy. Let's see that big girl. So the reason why you put that Crisco in there is so it's easier for it to move around and doesn't get stuck on the pan.
Yeah, to just try and this.
Oh, it smelled so good.
Oh yeah, I feel it.
I wish you guys can smell it through the screen. Now look at this.
Look at that.
So how much longer now?
Almost done, maybe 10 minutes.
Alright,
15 minutes
so
is
another
done.
15 minutes, then we're good to go.
15 minutes and then ready.
Okay, so it's been on the side for 20 minutes now. And now I believe it's done.
Done.
It smelled so good. Look at that.
This is one.
And there you have
And there
it.
you have it.
Some fresh baked bread.
Fresh baked homemade bread.
Homemade bread.
Homemade bread.